Traders are loving the Lucid Flex accounts, but a question I had the other day, Mike, how do I trade my Lucid account on Tradovate? Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Lucid trading, they have 3 accounts. They have the Lucid Pro account, which is an account that we can pass in as little as 1 day. They have the Lucid Flex accounts, which are the accounts that I currently trade with. Then they have the Lucid Direct accounts, which you basically skip the evaluation phase and go right into a funded account. But regardless which 3 of these accounts that you actually choose, the setup process to trade them on Tradovate is going to be exactly the same. Now, if you want to make sure you always get the best deal with Lucid Trading, make sure you use the link in the description box down below. Use promo code Mike at checkout. So if we go to the Lucid account, let's say we want to go ahead and purchase the 50K account. This is going to be step number 1. That is very, very important. If you miss this step, no matter what you try to do, it simply will not work. We go to select platforms and notice this is going to be critical. If you make this mistake, well, sorry, but it's not going to work. And this is going to be, you want to select the option up above where it says CQG data feed, and you see NinjaTrader prop, Tradovate prop, and TradingView. Now, prop firms that have NinjaTrader prop, you'll have access to the order flow tools like volume profile, VWAP, and even footprint charts. If you select the rhythmic data feed, you're not going to get any of the NinjaTrader prop features, and you're also not going to be able to trade this on Tradovate. You're only going to be able to trade it on TradeC, MotiveWave, Quant Tower, and maybe a few other rhythmic style connections. So when you first purchase your account, just make sure you go ahead and you select the CQ data feed. Now, I went ahead and went to the FAQ real quick just to see what other rhythmic supported platforms there are. We have MotiveWave, we have Quant Tower, TradeC, Sierra Charts, Jigsaw, Bookmap, Ataz, RTrader Pro, and multi-chart. So there is a lot more different platforms we can use with the rhythmic connections. However, I currently trade with Tradovate because if you trade with multiple prop firms with the Tradovate connection, I can be connected to all the prop firms at the same time and copy across all the accounts at the same exact time. Now, once you went ahead and already purchased your accounts, you want to go ahead and log into your dashboard. You're going to need to be able to see your credentials. Right up here where it says show credentials, if you click on that, you want to go ahead and copy where it says your username, and then go ahead and copy the password as well. Maybe put that on a notepad somewhere. That way we can use that here in just a few moments. Now, instead of going to Tradovate's website by using your browser, you can simply click right here where it says launch Tradovate. Now, once you launch Tradovate, you want to go ahead and those username and password that we just went ahead and copied to our clipboard, we want to go ahead and paste that in, and then you want to simply click log in. Now, once you went ahead and enter the information, you're going to be met with this screen right here, market data subscription clarification. Most of us are going to be non-professional. You need to go ahead and read it. Go ahead and select next, and then we want to go ahead and check these 2 boxes. I have read the agreements. Go ahead and sign your names. And once all of that is completed, you're now going to go ahead and be brought to a screen that says download uniform subscription agreement. And you can either download it now or just simply close it out. Now, after that screen, you are going to be met with this right here. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down because you need to go ahead and make sure you go ahead and select cookies, which will be at the bottom of the screen. Then you go ahead and click OK, and then it's going to bring you right up here to where it says access simulation. From that point on, you can click right there and you can be ready to trade on the Tradovate platform. Now, if you're trying to decide which prop firm you actually think is best, then you want to come over to my website, propfirmmike.com. Let's say with Lucid Trading, you're like me and you like the $50,000 account size. We want to first go ahead and go to challenges, go to $50,000 account size. We want to go ahead and go to end of the day drawdown type, and notice it's going to go ahead and populate all the 50K account sizes. Well, one thing we want to do from here is under true cost. We want to simply double click that and it'll sort from the cheapest to the most expensive. At the time of recording this video, you can get a Lucid account for as low as $65. If you want to learn all about the Lucid rules, just simply click right there under Lucid Trading. You can scroll on down, look at the evaluation guidelines, hard breach rules, and the funded rules in one simple location. And don't forget, if you decide to purchase any of these accounts, you can always click on the coupon code Mike, and then click on get funded. It'll take you right to the website. If you want to see the list of the tools that I use, right up here at the top where it says tools, you can go ahead and you can get a discount on all the tools that I use to trade these markets. on a daily basis. Now, if you'd like to learn how to get NinjaTrader Prop for free so you can use the order flow tools, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.